device. I shall arm the missile. Now, I don't want to be unraveled.
That's what I was holding.
Spectator 1. Spectator 2. Not much of a participation here.
Okay.
Uh,
The delivery device is loaded. I shall use the hairpin trigger release format, where I slip the card out from underneath, the Mentos will fall down into the bottles, I will run to a safe distance, and the Coke will be skyward. Yeah, you can open it. Right,
Open
come on.
it, Luca.
Oh, we have a technical problem. The soldier opening the weapon is a pussy.
Oh God, guy with mental problems.
Okay. Here we go.
Oh, I'm getting back. Luca.
This is not going to go well for me, I feel.
Oh, I saw this on TV. I saw this on the internet. No!
I didn't get wet. Don't walk in that. Don't walk in that.
Oh,
I didn't get wet. I didn't get wet.
Chicken, I'll let drink that. I want some.
Now, the Mentos will choke you now. Don't. You know what we need? We need a narrower lid and it'll explode higher. And we need to do it in somebody's house.
Papa, the way our teacher did it was made a hole in the lid. Our teacher made a